Greeting you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ismail Voslava. You are watching Daily Market Review from Grand Capital. Today, as usually, we are going to start with intraday Euro-US dollar. The decisive push below 1.3955 brings the focus onto support at 1.3700 and the October 18th high low at 1.3652. The 50% Fibonacci retracement level of October's 1.3154 and 1.4248 rally completes the support cluster at 1.3696, and only below 1.3652 would put Euro bears in control of the short term. Resistance at 1.3968 and 1.43 knots would have to be broken in order to lift the tone. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bullish. Now let us get to intraday US dollar Japanese yen. Continues to consolidate off Monday's peak at 79.55, supported 77.75 is under threat, and a break below there would expose 77.45 and 76.6 knot. A gradual decline is expected, but Monday's all-time low at 75.31 remains secure for now. Only above 79.1 knot would open Monday's peak at 79.55 again. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bearish. Now let us get to intraday Great Britain pound US dollar. Monday's setback of 1.6167 keeps the action range bound above support at 1.5967, whilst the important projected support level at 1.594 knot holds. There is scope for a broader uptrend extension towards the wave quality target at 1.6211, which needs to be met in order to validate October's rally of 1.5272. Only below 1.5948 would negate the positive Great Britain pound outlook, exposing 1.585 knot. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bullish. The next currency pair is US dollar Swiss franc. Resistance at 0.8806 is under threat, following Monday's strength. As the push above 0.8768 strengthens the October 27th low at 0.8568, there is room for more gains above 0.8806 towards the 0.886 knot, 0.8881 resistance area. Support at 0.874 knot will look to contain weakness, although only below 0.8693 would concern US dollar bulls. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. And we are getting finished with intraday Australian dollar US dollar. The pace of the short-term setback is threatening to increase, and 1.0364 is out. Monday's low high at 1.0612 creates minimum downside target at 1.0364, but a display of concerned Australian dollar bear pressure would expose 1.0211, forming intraday range lows at 1.0505, now revert to resistance, and only about 1.0553 would concern Australian dollar bears. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review from Grand Capital. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.